This orchid repotting kit was gifted to me, so let's open it and see what's inside. Look how nicely it is packaged. I will be using my favorite repotting mat. It is made out of leather, super nice. I've had it for at least 5 years now, and as you can see, it looks almost brand new. The only thing that gives off its age is how dirty this is. It is super easy to clean it. All you have to do is wipe it down, so that's very nice. Here's what we have included in a box. We have our pot. We have this very nice thick foam, and this foam is gonna help our orchid to stay moist and have some water supply while still giving it the ability to breathe. And we have this nice pebbles to give our orchid the airflow that it needs. And I will be transplanting this orchid right here. As you can see, it does want to have its own pot already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and gently remove it and place it in here. This orchid is really nice. It has this very cute small blooms and they smell just amazing. That's the reason why I bought it, so I am excited that it multiplies and can have more of this. And this is the name of it. And just don't mind the water issue. I moistened this foam and didn't want to wait until the water is gonna drip out. And this is why I really like this mat, because it's gonna catch all of the mess that I have, like if it's water, if it's soil, whatever there is, it's gonna keep everything nice and contained, and it's not gonna go all over my table. As you can see, these ones are pretty short, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up with some pebbles at the bottom. As you can see, these ones are pretty short, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up with some pebbles at the bottom. All of these pebbles, they are made out of foam as well, but I just love how realistic it looks. And here's the final result that I got. I think it turned out very cute. I absolutely love this kit. If you are somebody who likes orchids, definitely give this one a try.